the only Yakima news team taking action for you. KIMA Action News starts now.
Good evening and thank you for choosing KIMA Action News live at 6. I'm John Kennedy O'Connor. A state health care organization is helping eliminate access barriers to healthy foods by partnering with community organizations across Washington, including right here in Yakima. Since 2020, Coordinated Care has provided more than 9 million meals to those in need. Our reporter Alahna Martinez is with us in studio. Alahna, what impact has this had on people in the valley?
Well, aside from allowing people to get food that they otherwise might not have been able to get, officials say access to more fruits and vegetables reduces chronic illnesses, closes equity gaps, and improves overall health outcomes. Food is like medicine. Having nutrition insecurity and food insecurity can have a big impact on a person's overall wellness.
For our kids, it's their ability to concentrate in school. For families, it's the stress of, is my child or family getting the nutrition that they need? And so that's really critical to the work of our partners and the work that Coordinated Care is supporting.
Coordinated Care Harvest Bucks is one program they've launched to help with that. Since 2021, 10,000 Coordinated Care members have received up to $100 in vouchers per year to buy fresh, frozen, and canned fruits and vegetables at any Safeway in the state.
We recognize that the cost of food is increasing, and that creates and can add additional stress to individuals and families. And so Coordinated Care Harvest Bucks is not only designed to support our members and their families by increasing access to nutrition, but can be used in combination with other resources like WIC or SNAP.
Additionally, in response to the COVID pandemic, Coordinated Care has launched a 1 million meals campaign to help those struggling keep healthy foods on their tables.
And the way that we do that is by partnering with local organizations across the state that are already helping people who are facing hunger and nutrition insecurity. And an example of that is actually our partnership with Northwest Harvest and the launch of their Fruitvale Community Market in Yakima.
Over the last 3 years, they've continued to exceed their goal, dishing out over 9 million meals to people across the state. On top of food insecurity, Coordinated Care is also focusing their efforts on capacity building in the workforce and addressing healthcare inequities in underrepresented populations. Once you're a member of Coordinated Care, you can receive Harvest Bucks by calling in and self-referring. Or people can also receive food prescriptions straight from doctors' offices.
Well, it's a great service, and the fact they've made 9 million meals already is really incredible. Thanks so much, Alahna, and you can check out our website for more program information.